Now, else if ladder. Before, in the if condition, we are checking two values. For example, we are comparing A and B. That's it. If I want to, we are checking greater or lesser with the only two variables. If I want to check more than two variables, for example, I have three variables, four variables. I have more than condition, like more than 2 to 3 condition will be separately we need to check. For that time, we cannot be able to go for always if. Only if only one else is possible. Two if one else is not possible. So that reason will go for if else if ladder. If else if ladder means in this is the syntax for if else if means then normally as it is if statement will going to be check the condition. So normally if condition is going to be checked. Again, if else if we have one more that is else if condition. In this else if also we can give the condition. But in the else part, we cannot able to give the condition. But in the else if, we can give the condition. If this else if will becomes true, then again inside the statement is going to be executed. Again, like this, we can have multiple else if. One if, n number of else if, one else it is possible. Like n number of else if, we can check more than 10 times, 15 times like that, we can check. For example, I'll go for here, I'm took as an only two variables. No? I'm going to change now. I'll take four variables. Okay. Int d equals to 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Four variables. In that four variables, which one is greater I need to be printed. In this, which one is greater? 4. That means D variable is greater. D variable is greater. First condition, in the if condition, I can check. First, I need to compare A with B, A with C, and A with D. Yes, right? I need to compare A with every other variables. Here, I'm checking A is greater than B or not. I need to be, all the conditions should be satisfied. Then only A can become greater. So that I am using AND operator. I'm checking again A is greater than C or not. Again AND operator, I'm checking A is greater than B or not. That means if it is A is greater than B and A is greater than C and A is greater than D, then A is greater. A will become greater. Yes or no? Yes, right? Then for A with all variable, I already checked with using if condition. Now I need to check with B with C and B with D. Yes, right. For B, for checking another condition, we'll go for else. In the else if, I am checking B is greater than C or not, and B is greater than D or not.
One more also we need to check C or D.
C and D. Copied. I'm going to paste here. Now it is if B is greater. If this condition becomes true, B is greater. Then again I need to check with C with D. C with D. Here I am checking only one condition. C is greater than D or not. If it is true, then my output will be C is greater. Otherwise, else part is going to be executed. That time, if it is A also not possible, B is also not possible, C is also not possible, then executed. Else part is going to be executed. That is D is greater. Understood? I am changing here. The name is if else if else if ladder. Okay. I'm going to save this one. How to compile the program? Java C file. Yes, yes, yes. Terrace I clear, no? Here we need to give after else space. Okay, that is there. Here, my output will be these. Yes. Just I'm going to compile the program Java C if else if ladder.java. Then if I am going to run, my output will be D is greater. Now I am changing here P value as 7. Then what is my output?
B.
P is greater. We'll check here first. 1 is greater than 7. No. Then once if it is one condition become false, the whole condition will become false because of we are using as an AND operator. Then we will go for here. 7 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than 3, sir.
7.
Then 7 is greater than 4. Yes, then it is true. My output will be B is greater. Yes, right.
So next it won't run.
Next won't run.
Ah.
If it is check also, it is wrong only. If it is like 3 is greater than D, no. It is not printing, else also not printing because of
Suppose these are also correct.
then it is not going to check. Here only it will be stopped. We'll check. Compile. Why? Why? Because D only I am not saved. Now output will be B is great. My output will be B is great. Understood, sir?
Good mark.
We'll go for nested if today or tomorrow.
Your wish. Today or tomorrow. Slowly we'll go because these are tough programs.
Then we take